This video will see another example for decorators. So let's start by creating a function, def home. So here I'm using an example of a login system. So whenever a user logs into a website to view a page, he requires a login. Okay, if the user provides the login correctly, he is allowed to that page. Okay, if the user doesn't provide any login, he is required to enter the credentials. Okay, he'll get a message, kindly login. Okay, so that is our topic for defining the decorators. Okay, that is an example I'm taking. Okay, so let's give two parameters here, name comma is underscore login, and I'll print welcome to home page, and I'll give the another function which is orders page. And orders page has the same parameters, is underscore login and name. Okay, and it will print welcome to orders page. And I'll create another page which is about. About doesn't take any parameters. Print welcome to about page. Okay, so here are my three functions. Okay, these two functions require the login authentication. Okay, these two functions require login to view whatever the content home has and whatever the content orders has. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm giving the decorator here, login underscore required. Okay, I'll provide the login underscore required to orders page here. Okay, about doesn't require any login. Any user can view the about page without logging in. He can view the about page. Okay, so these functions are mainly used in Django, as I said. So let's start by creating a function which is same as login required. Okay, the name is same as login required, login underscore required. Takes a argument. Okay, so this argument takes two parameters which we have passed here for name, for home and orders. Okay, this argument func takes two parameters, name and is login. Okay, so now we create another function which is inner function which takes these parameters, name and is login. Name and is login. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay, and now here we'll be writing the condition. Okay, here is underscore login double equal to false. Okay, if the user has not entered the login credentials, he'll get a message like kindly login. Okay, and this function will be exited. Okay, and the function will exit and it will come out of that if condition, and it will return. So here if the user has logged in, then he must be getting these messages. Welcome to home page, welcome to orders page, welcome to welcome to about page is, however, it is accessible to all. Okay, if the user has logged in, he will get these two messages, either a home page or the orders page. Okay, so I'll be giving we have to give this func here, and we have to pass the arguments. Okay, parameters, whatever the parameters we have defined here, we have to give it here. Okay, basically we are calling we are calling this argument here, okay, as a function. This argument is used as a function here, which takes two parameters. Name is underscore login. Okay. So now we'll return inner. Okay. So this is how we build logic for checking whether the user has logged in or not. Okay. We have checked here using the is underscore login double equal to false, where if the user is not logged in, he is required to log in. Okay. If the user logged in, this function will not be executed. It will execute this function. Okay, this line of code will be executed. Okay, so let me call the whatever the functions I have here. Let me call it here home. Okay, so what is the first parameter? Name. So name will be user itself, and is underscore login. I'll give it as false. So let's see false. And what is the other function, which is orders? Okay, name user comma, I'll give this as true, and about doesn't take any parameters. Okay, so if I try to run it, okay, home, for home it is asking me to kindly log in. Okay, inside the welcome page I get the welcome to orders page because it is true. I am getting the welcome to orders page message here. Okay, about page is displaying welcome to about page. Okay, so if I change it to true, okay, have changed it to true, and I'll change this to false. Let me see. Okay, welcome to home page, kindly log in, welcome to about page. Okay, so that is working fine. Okay, home page is the first home page is displaying the welcome to home page because the boolean function which I have given here is true. Okay, is underscore login is true here. So if is underscore login is true, this will be not executed. Okay, this line of code will be executed. Okay, so if is underscore login is false, in the case of orders, here is underscore login is false. Okay, if is underscore login is false, then it will print kindly login. Okay, and about page will automatically called. Okay, it doesn't require any authentication, so it is automatically called here. Okay, so this is how we can use decorators as a authentication in Django, and to check login of the user. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.